Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Trisha,
Hmm.
if somebody, for example, if a god comes and gives you a superpower, what would you do?
I would quickly increase our subscription count to 30,000, say, in a month.
Arey Baba, that so you will waste by doing, na? Why are you wasting your superpower in this?
Why? We need
Because
subscribers, don't we?
yeah, correct. We definitely need subscribers, but our viewers are only there, na, for that. They will only do this thing. They will only increase our subscriber count like fatafat by subscribing our YouTube channel, hitting the bell icon, following us on Facebook, following us on Instagram, following our personal profile. So why would you waste a superpower in this? How about this kind of a superpower? So the World Test Championship final is there. It's a major ICC tournament final.
So you
What
want me to
if
fly there without breaking the COVID rules?
now you won't be able to fly because you have to book chartered flight and all that. That's too much
No,
of
but if my
jhamela.
superpower is flying, I can fly, directly to Southampton. Too much?
Watch it on a TV. Watch it on a TV. Increase the TV TRP. Okay, and we'll do videos also. But what if somebody, a cricket god, comes and tells you that in a World Test Championship final, you can have the superpower to bring one of the Fab Five of Indian cricket, that's the Fab Five batter of Indian cricket, either Sehwag, Saurav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, or VVS Lakshman, to play the final. Whom would you bring? Why? Which position will you bat him? And don't be diplomatic. No two names, only one name.
Can I come back tomorrow?
No, superpower is only 5 seconds you have time, so you have to choose.
5 seconds? What rubbish?
Quickly.
uh,
One, two, three,
I will
four.
count when you also speak, okay? Saurav Ganguly. Wait.
Four.
It's Saurav Ganguly.
Saurav.
Yes.
Why?
See,
In test match.
yeah, Saurav Ganguly for a test match. I will give you five reasons, not one. Five of them. Okay. So the first one is, what is Saurav Ganguly's record in England? If you focus in England in test matches, Saurav's record is
Hmm.
quite good. In about nine test matches, he has 915 runs with an average of nearly 66 and quite a few hundreds. So he does
Okay.
have a very good record in England. Obviously, his debut 100 and all that was also in England. But it is not about those particular matches alone. Whenever India has played in England, Saurav has contributed. Like be it the 2004 series, be it the 2007 series, you will always see that Saurav has contributed. So because it's in England, obviously WTC final is in England, I would go for Saurav. The other thing here is that the kind of team that Virat Kohli has, or generally the kind of team that Virat Kohli wants, or the Indian team is, it stands for a very aggressive team. People speaking their mind out and giving it back to the opposition. If you think about the Fab Five, and
Hmm.
you tell me which player suits that particular attitude perfectly well. None other than Saurav Ganguly. He will gel completely well with the team. The other
Hmm.
point here is he can also provide that leadership support to Virat Kohli. You know,
Hmm. Correct.
I wouldn't take away the captaincy from Virat Kohli, but because it's a WTC final and it's a huge event, so it would
Hmm.
be nice if Virat Kohli gets someone to support him, and Saurav will be a very good, because we all know how good a captain he was and he
Hmm.
had been throughout his career. The other point, which is a major thing for me, is that he's a left-handed batter. Because if you see the Indian top six, let's see the Indian
Hmm.
top six in the WTC final. It is
Hmm.
probably going to be Rohit, Shubman, and even if it's not
Hmm.
Shubman, it's Mayank. Mayank is also right-handed.
Hmm.
Then
Hmm.
one down is Pujara, who is also right-handed. Then one down, then two down. It's Kohli again right-handed. Then it's Rahane right-handed. Then comes Rishabh Pant,
Hmm.
and then there is let's say Ashwin plays. Then again it becomes Jadeja. So you have
Right.
Pant, Jadeja, Ashwin again
Hmm.
right-handed, and the rest of them all right-handed. So you just have
Okay.
two right-handed, two left-handers in the entire lineup. So when you quickly bring in Saurav, you bring in that diversity also.
Hmm.
Now you will ask me that whom will you play Saurav in place of? That would be Ajinkya Rahane. Fortunately or
Hmm.
unfortunately, I will say it would be Ajinkya Rahane, because Ajinkya Rahane is, well, it has got, he's that particular position. If we get a left-hander, say for example,
Hmm.
there are four right-handers, and then in the top six, then if you play Rahane, it's only one lefty. But now with
Hmm.
Saurav in the side, it will become two
Hmm.
left-handers. And I wouldn't
Hmm.
mind if you, depending on the position of the match, then what it eventually does is, because Pant is someone who's a game changer, you can also promote Pant to a number four. Nothing
Hmm.
against Virat Kohli. I am just saying,
Hmm.
just to change the whole thing around. Or
Hmm.
you can also get Saurav Ganguly up to number four. There is no problem in that.
Hmm.
You
Correct.
get 1, 2, 3. Your 1, 2, 3 becomes Rohit, and then Shubman or Mayank, Pujara,
Hmm.
Ganguly, Kohli, and then Pant. So that gives you that
Hmm.
variation also. Because we all know, even
Correct.
if the bowlers are well settled, once the left hand right hand combo happens, the bowlers get a little unsettled. These are my
Correct.
reasons for getting, like, for not getting, for hoping that Saurav could make a comeback, or I should be able to. When you say cricket god, so you're basically saying, if Sachin one day calls me up and says, so
And you don't
I will
even take
tell you,
Sachin.
yeah, and whom will you take? I'll be like, sir, you are the one who has called. How can I put you out of the team? Okay,
Interesting,
now in
because I
conclusion.
was a little bit shocked only when you said Saurav Ganguly, but
Yeah,
after
that
you
showed
gave
on
the
your face.
reasons, sorry,
That showed on your
I was,
face. You were like, huh?
yeah, because I was expecting some other name, so I was a little bit shocked. But the
Also,
reasons which
can
you
I tell
gave,
you this? Also, can I
hmm,
tell you this? Sorry, Orgo, for interrupting. But somewhere I feel he's way too underrated. Like, every single time it's said that he is the
hmm, as
weak
a
link
batter,
among the top four. Sorry?
hmm, as a batter, you mean?
Yeah, absolutely. As a batter,
Hmm, hmm,
in the Fab Four, he's always supposed to be the weak link. And I know everybody says he's the weak link because of the whole bounce thing. But remember,
hmm,
in England, again, cricket is also a game of confidence. So in England, because
hmm,
he has the runs and he has performed
hmm,
every single tour, he will have that confidence. So confidence,
hmm.
variety, leadership, attitude. Saurav Ganguly is the one. What about
Will
you?
he be a good? Will he be a good fit in a team whose head coach is Ravi Shastri?
I think it's a wonderful jory. Jahan Ravi, Waha Ganguly. Wah.
Won't you are sure? Won't there be a match in between the Indian team?
I'll tell you no. Having
Hmm.
heard Ravi Shastri's interviews and having seen the way
Hmm.
Ravi Shastri has handled someone like a Virat Kohli,
Hmm.
because remember, Virat
Hmm.
Kohli is, a very, what do you call it? Virat Kohli is also a very headstrong guy. So, the way
Hmm.
Ravi Shastri has maintained with the entire team, that shows.
Hmm.
And yes, Shubha Prata brings up a very good point, which I had thought but I had forgotten to mention. What Ganguly does is, we always say, when we talk about all rounders, batters who can
Hmm.
bowl, we look for someone
Correct.
like we look at someone down the order, say for example a
Hmm.
Ravindra Jadeja. But
Hmm.
with
Hmm.
Saurav Ganguly, what you will get is his medium pace. He's a very good
And
medium
that too
pace
in
bowler.
England. England, where the
Exactly,
ball
and that
will help him.
England. So
The
that
conditions.
you
Hmm.
get a bowler extra, because then you can easily, what Ganguly does is, then he makes it very easy. You can play Ashwin Jadeja because you already have a
Correct.
pacer, the fourth pacer,
Hmm.
and you have
Hmm.
three pacers in whoever, Ishant,
Correct.
or Siraj and Bumrah Sharma.
Yeah.
So
So
Ganguly, yeah, I
so
mean. makes it very hard. Well,
So Ganguly will do the job which Hardik was expected to do if he was able to bowl. He was fit enough to bowl.
absolutely.
Very good. Like very good choice. But if you are trying to ask me this question, what would
Yeah,
be my choice? If the
yeah,
cricket god, the Sachin Tendulkar calls him, I
yeah.
will also
Five,
disappoint him.
4, 3. You
It's
may
Rahul
pass.
Dravid. It's Rahul Dravid. It's Rahul Dravid. I am sorry, Sachin Tendulkar. I will disappoint him again. I thought about choosing Sachin Tendulkar, but
That is
look
why
at
we didn't
Rahul
get to
Dravid.
take this call because none of us took it in the team.
It will be a dream only. We'll be
Yeah,
dreaming about it and we'll be making our own choices in that. But when we talk about Dravid, uh, the best number three batter in the world, and there are a lot of great batter at number three, be it Ricky Ponting, be it Jack Callis, and there are several other names which the list can go on and on. But look at his record in England. Stats always don't reveal a story, but his stats in England in Test matches do reveal a story. 23 innings in England, and he has scored close to 1400 runs. And amongst all these five names that we were discussing, the five, his average in England is the highest, more than 68. 68, more than 68, and most number of hundreds among this group, 600. More importantly, remember the 2011 series. He scored 300s in 4 matches. That's that's huge. Like when the whole team was struggling, this was one guy who kept on scoring the runs. Was it the 2011 or 2014 series? I don't clearly remember. The specifically Dravid's last series in England, where the whole team
yeah,
didn't
should
play
be
well. 2011, yeah, 2014 was
2011.
not there.
Yeah.
2011, whole team. I remember him carrying the bat. Whole team got out. He stood there, and again in the second innings, he came out to bat when there was follow on. So Dravid and his impeccable technique. Nowadays we discuss about players dealing swing, whether
It was
they will be
the
able to.
2014
Hmm.
series.
Is it? Because 2014 there were Murli Vijay and all those players were there. Anyway, the Dravid's last
Anyway,
series.
yeah.
So nowadays we talk about the ability to play swing, and that's a very big talking factor. In England, you need to play swing, and more importantly, you need to know how to leave the balls when the ball is swinging. And Dravid was a master of that. That's why I will directly bring Dravid in the team. Now, what gives that gives me two options. I will replace Cheteshwar Pujara at number three with Rahul Dravid, specifically because no hard feelings against Cheteshwar Pujara, but Dravid is a better batter than Pujara. And Pujara has some vulnerabilities when the ball swings in and often gets out LBW or bold. So that's where I need Dravid. Secondly, along with Ajinkya Rahane, with Dravid being a supreme fielder, slip fielder, that gives me another option when it comes to slip fielding. Remember that day you were saying that slip fielding will be very, very important on this tour
Absolutely.
because the ball will
Absolutely.
swing, Indian bowlers will get the edges, and you, for example, now think Rishabh Pant, Rahul Dravid, Ajinkya Rahane. That's till second slip it's covered, and that's where most of the catches will go. Even when the spinners will bowl, then also you can have two slips with Ajinkya Rahane and Rahul Dravid. So that will amount for a lot of wickets. Along with that, Dravid has the experience of winning a series as a captain in England. So like Saurabh Ganguly, he will be a great assistance to Virat Kohli, the captain. So that's why I will definitely bring Rahul Dravid in the team.
Okay, two things. First of all, Shubhabrata, I think in the 2014 series, I just quickly checked the internet. In
Hmm.
2014 series, I think Rahul Dravid went to assist Indian team in England. He wasn't
Hmm.
there. He
Yeah,
didn't play.
yeah, yeah.
And the match you're talking about, buddy, it was in 2011.
11. Yeah,
So he
yeah.
said in a test match where India were bowled out for 287, it was
Hmm.
India lost 0-4 in that series. Sorry,
Hmm.
4-0. England won.
Hmm.
But yeah, he did well. So I agree with you. I mean, I guess both of us have made our choices. So since
Hmm.
Shubhabrata, you are there, who would have been your choice among the Fab Five? because it's a very
Correct.
tough decision. Because someone like Sehwag, if you really think, if at one end
Hmm.
Rohit keeps going, and at the other end
Hmm.
if Sehwag keeps going, it's doomsday for any opponent. So all of them are tough choices. Sachin Tendulkar, we
That's
haven't
true.
even spoken about the cricket god. I mean, you cannot, like, see, as soon as you talk about Sachin Tendulkar, I completely go speechless. I'm like, he can score anywhere and everywhere. But I think it has also got,
Correct.
our choice has got a lot to do with the way they have performed in England,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
also to do with the current lot. Because understand, it's not about bringing them
Correct.
back from retirement. It's also got to do with the
Hmm.
WTC final. So Shubha
Fine.
Brata says yes. We have got Shubha Brata's answer. Sure, brother, yes. He says Saurav Ganguly, no other option. Captain, batsman, bowler, complete package. Absolutely.
Captain. Now that's the important thing. Will you make, if given a choice, will you make Saurav Ganguly the captain and Virat Kohli the vice captain?
Oh, 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 oh. I don't mind. I think I would. I would. Given a choice, I would. Because if you have players, like, if you have captains, not players, forget about players. If you have captains like Saurav Ganguly or Mahendra Singh Dhoni in the team, you don't think twice. You just make them captain, because
Correct.
they are strategists of another level. There are certain
And
captains who
that,
can win the game with their captaincy. And Saurav
correct.
Ganguly, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, they are those kind of captains. Another captain whom I can remember who does that is Mithali Raj. I know, obviously, in Fab
Hmm.
5, she doesn't fall. We are talking about men's cricket. But
Hmm.
overall, in
Hmm.
cricket, there are very few captains who can win you the game by mere captaincy, and Mithali is one of them. And since I'm taking Saurav in the team, yes, of course. Especially if it's WTC final. Maybe England series, I would give it back to Virat.
Hmm.
But WTC final,
Hmm.
yes, of course.
Great. And Mithali Raj, you talked about Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj doesn't need to come back because she has already gone to New England and she will be playing Test match. She will be playing the ODI series also. There's the ODI series, right? She will be playing the ODI
Absolutely.
series also. So she is evergreen. She has been playing since I was a kid, and I don't know if my kid will also be there when she continues playing.
Okay, can I say an amazing fact? Because we are talking about Sachin,
Hmm.
because we are talking about Mithali Raj as well. Sachin made his debut, right? When he
Hmm.
was
Hmm.
16 years,
Hmm.
205 days old. Okay, if
Hmm.
I'm not wrong, it's 205. Okay.
Hmm.
And guess when did Mithali Raj make her debut? We know when she made her debut, right? We know it's
Hmm.
against
Hmm.
Ireland in 1999.
Hmm. Hmm.
Guess
Hmm.
what was her age?
What? The
If
same?
you have, yeah, it's 16 years. It's the same age that Sachin made debut.
Same.
16 years,
Oh.
205 days.
That's a great coincidence. That's a
Yeah, I
great,
mean,
great
it's a
coincidence.
great coincidence, and that's why probably people used to keep calling her female Sachin. She'll kill me for this, but then
Hmm.
yeah.
But will we kill some people who are watching our videos and not liking, not sharing, not subscribing our channel? Should we kill them?
Should we? Should we kill you guys who are
एक
not subscribing?
एक चांस
It's a
देते
very
हैं,
good
एक चांस,
question.
एक चांस देते हैं, जल्दी से जाकर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, फॉलो कीजिए, फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कीजिए। बाय द वे किसका वॉइस निकल रहा हूँ मुझे भी नहीं पता है। और हिट द बेल आइकन, बेल की घंटी बजाना है, राइट? बेल की घंटी बजाना है। स्पोर्ट्स एडिक्शन को अपने दिल में रखना है, राइट? और कुछ सजेशन हो, ये एक बहुत ही मतलब इट वाज अ फन थिंग बिकॉज every time we discuss serious matters, this won't happen.
Just a
I know
second. Orko,
everybody know.
Orko, just
Hmm.
a second. Shubhobrata has written something. I want to take it,
Hmm.
actually. Right. Mithali, because this is one of my favorite subjects. Mithali Raj is a legend, no doubt, but unfortunately, women's cricket does not get that attention from media which men's cricket enjoy. Shubhobrata, when all of you watch women's cricket, whatever women's cricket is coming on here, if you guys watch it, if you guys
Hmm.
comment on it, then the media will be forced to cover it. It's as simple as that.
Correct. And it
If
has
your
increased also with the performance of the Indian women's team. If you see over the years, that's what we were discussing, that when India reached the finals in 2005 World Cup final, nobody saw it live. But nowadays, see, every series there's discussion about whom to take, whom to not take. So
Correct.
there's a lot of coverage in the media, and the main reason is that Indian women's cricket team is consistently performing. Nothing succeeds like success. So they are performing. Look at all the tournaments, the ICC tournament. Either they are reaching the finals or the semi-finals. That
Absolutely.
didn't used to happen in the 90s or the 2000s.
Yeah, I mean, okay. I agree. Like the performance is getting better. It's commercializing. That's more important, you know. And
Hmm.
ultimately,
Hmm.
success speaks, commercialization speaks, and it's you, the viewers, who speak. Because ultimately, if you don't
Hmm.
talk about women's cricket, nobody will be bothered. It will not commercialize and it will not get media attention.
Hmm.
We have done
Correct.
enough for today. You know, from a fun conversation to a serious conversation, we covered it all. Mohit says after their performance in World Cup, their popularity increased. Yes,
Correct.
Mohit, but you know, unfortunately, if you get me started on this, then the night will become day
We'll
and the day will
we'll
become again
we'll do
night.
another episode.
Because
We'll do
yes,
another.
because
We'll definitely do another episode.
I honestly only partially agree with Orgo. I will say their performance has become consistent, yes, but I will not say this is the only time that women's cricket or Indian women's cricket team saw success. You know,
Hmm.
they
Hmm.
have seen success previously, but well, yeah, I mean, it is how it is. We will talk about
Hmm.
this whole thing one day because I can see there is interest, and that is what I really
Hmm.
like. You know, people are mentioning names like Shafali Verma, Smriti Mandana, but there have been some
Hmm.
very good players in Shanta Rangaswamy, Diana Edulji, you know, Sudha Shah. There has been um, many more. I mean, you know, we
Correct.
should do something on. Okay, Shubhabrata says we should do something on Euro Cup. Yes, Orga and I will
We
do
are
some
already
shows,
doing it.
and we
Yeah,
are
I
already doing
think.
it. We will be posting
Yeah.
our shows which we are doing for Aaj Tak Bangla on Euro 2020.
And also, you can go to our playlist Euro 2020 and check the videos which we have done. There are some videos, it will increase with time, but we have done uh, a little bit on Euro 2020. We'll be definitely doing more.
And you know, you will see Orgo and me fighting because he supports Spain and I am all in all for Portugal. CR7 it is. Okay, we should close the show now.
Yeah.
Right. So
So,
thank you so much,
for
guys, for
now,
watching.
we'll take your
Yeah.
leave. Yeah.
No,
We'll take your
continue.
leave. Thank you so much for watching. And see, already we are locked in a battle already. So I'll we'll definitely close the show now. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.